Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can make a screenshot on your iPhone. I will show you the steps on the iPhone 15 Pro, but you can also follow these steps on like every latest iPhone. And we have a few different options to make a screenshot on our iPhone. The probably most common option is to press the power on and off button and the volume up button at the same time. And then your phone makes a screenshot. And on the iPhone you also have another option, and that is to press on the Apple logo here on the back. We will do that 2 times. And then it also made a screenshot, but for that to work you need to go to your settings, and here we need to go down to accessibility and then to touch, and here we need to scroll all the way down to back tap. Double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. We need to click here, and then we can say what we want to happen when double tap or triple tap. So double tap, screenshot now, but you can choose between a lot of different options. Camera, home, lock rotation, lock screen, or magnifier, or well, whatever else here. You can also say none, and then you can also custom it when you triple tap at the back of your iPhone. But that's how you can make a screenshot. If you made a screenshot now, you can totally go ahead and edit it, and you can put filters on it, crop it, and stuff like that. So that's how you can make a screenshot on your iPhone. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.